What to do when iPhone screen doesn't rotate? Disable Portrait Orientation Lock. From the top right corner of your screen, swipe down to open the control center. Locate the box with a lock and a circle with an arrow on it. If the background is white and the icon is red, the portrait lock is turned on. Tap on the Portrait Orientation Lock icon to disable the feature. Relaunch and update the app. To relaunch the app with an iPhone with a Face ID, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to see all apps running in the background. If you have an iPhone with a home button, double-click it to see all apps running in the background. Find the app window that doesn't rotate and drag it up to force quit. Launch the app again. To update an app, tap and hold the App Store app until a menu pops up. Then, tap on Updates. To update all apps, under Available Updates, tap on Update All. Check if the app supports rotation. If the app still doesn't rotate, make sure it supports this feature. Not all Apple and third-party apps have the option to turn the screen when rotating your iPhone. And some apps rotate their screen when you're doing certain things. The rotation feature can also depend on the iPhone model you are using. Models like Plus and Max will have more possibilities than others. Reboot your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can help the device deal with various minor bugs and glitches that might have affected the rotation feature. Turn off your iPhone. Wait for a minute and turn it back on. Disable Zoom View. Open the Settings app. Go to Display and Brightness Settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap on View. If the Zoom View is selected, make sure to choose the Standard option. Then tap on Set, located at the top right corner. Tap on Use Standard. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app. Go to General Settings. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Reset. Then tap on Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and confirm the action. Make sure the accelerometer works. If your device had a few hard hits to the floor, the sensor, which reads your iPhone's physical rotation, could be damaged. We recommend contacting Apple support for further assistance or take it to the Apple Store or an authorized service for a checkup. Hopefully, this video provided the information you were looking for. If you're using a Mac computer, we would like to suggest scanning it with Combo Cleaner. It will check your computer for malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. Combo Cleaner also offers a disk cleaner that will help you clean out the junk accumulated on your Mac. A big files finder that will help you find files that take up the most space on your Mac. A duplicate file finder, which will easily find all duplicate files on local and external hard drives. A privacy scanner that will help you remove cookies, cache, browse history and more. And an app uninstaller that will find all hidden app components and uninstall them for you. You won't need to worry about viruses and clutter on your Mac anymore. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel.